Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how do I see who screenshotted my BeReal. So how can you see that? Go to my friends, and as you can see here on my username building solutions, on the right side you can see the icon of a screenshot. So click on that icon right here, and as you can see, one friend took a screenshot of your BeReal. Share your picture to know their name. So now what you need to do is you will need to share your picture on Snapchat, for example. So let's do that on Snapchat. We can share it like that. And then obviously, here on Snapchat, we can share it and then click next, obviously. And then let's say we want to put it on my story. We can put it there. We're sending, then add it to story. Then we can go back here. And as you can see, the following friends have taken a screenshot. This is the friend, and yeah, right now you can exit, and this is basically how to see who screenshotted your BeReal. And again, if you want them to see your screenshot, then you can just screenshot like this and they will be able to see your screenshot. So make sure to use a private screenshot application if you want to hide your screenshots from other people. But this is basically how to see who screenshotted your BeReal, right? Now if you have any questions, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.